Okay, I got a little water here. Okay, now we're going to use geometry, I think, to study religion, and I like geometry. So our thesis is going to be based on, or our theorem, or is based on two things: a circle and a line. Okay, this is a bit of a circle. It's a piece of tape, but it's round. It's an oval geometric form. Now, and this is where we start. Now, what does a circle have to do with religion? Well, it shows maybe nothing really, but in the geometrical form, what we're going to do is do this. How far can we go into the circle? We can only go halfway into the circle, because if we go beyond half circle, we are going out of the circle. How far can we go into the forest? We can only go halfway into the forest, because if we go any further, we'll be going out of the forest. How far can we go into the Garden of Eden? We can only go halfway, because if we go any further, it sounds like, well, we're going deeper into the forest, but in fact, you can say that, of course, but we're going out of the Garden of Eden. Now, another thing, and this is with all the mono religion. I want to use some big terms, but I don't know. I think I use some $2 words rather than $20 words. Mono religions. It's the Christianity, the Muslim religion, Buddhism, and the Jewish faith, and you could throw in a lot of other religions if you want to. You can throw in voodoo, and all kinds of crazy things, and things that's not even on the scale if you wish to. But now, the geometric forms is a circle and a stick. Whoa. Okay, this is a stick, and in fact, it's got numbers on it. So this is our measuring stick. So we measure the religion with through these two instruments, a circle and a bit and a bit of a stick. Now, say if I was measuring something, the accuracy of what I'm measuring is based on the instrument I'm using. If I have a crooked stick, then I'm gonna get a not correct measurement. If my measuring stick is broken, bent, or whatever, then I'm gonna get an erroneous measurement. If I'm trying to find out what is real and what is true about the religion, if I'm using a measuring instrument that's incorrect, or the instrument is correct but I'm using it incorrectly, or I don't have all the parts to it, or some other errors associated with the instrument I'm using to measure my religion. If I'm not getting the right results, then there's a possibility that I'm using the wrong instrument, or I'm using it, the wrong way. I mean, that's a possibility. Maybe it's not the whole thing, but we think in general, with the problems we have with science and other things, is that we're using the wrong instrument to measure, or we're using the instrument incorrectly to measure what we're trying to measure. So we get the wrong answer, so we become frustrated, and this becomes the morning and the afternoon of the first day. Let's get the right instrument. Let's get the right measuring instrument to measure what we're trying to, what we're trying to measure. Okay.